Good morning, welcome to Waggies Travels. I'm Richard and this is Irene. Now Irene, you don't see very often, but she is in actual fact my mum, and she's 92. She's having a day out, aren't you, girl?
Eh?
You're having a day out.
Good.
Yeah. So she's very deaf and blind, but she's going to enjoy a day out in the sunshine. And today we've come to somewhere we've been before, which is Saltash, but we're actually down in the car park underneath the Tamar Bridge. So if I just quickly turn the camera around, you can see where we are. So there's the Tamar Bridge up there, and we are sitting just beneath it, and there's quite a few boats on the move, which is brilliant to see. Anyway, we'll have a look around and we shall see you in a minute. Well, the sun's out, or we walk round a bit further, and we are. I pointed out to you the other day on a train ride. I can't remember if I've actually put that video up yet, but if I haven't, the Union pub is just behind us, and here's the Tamar. So that's Brunel's Bridge, and then the 1961, I think it is, the other bridge, which at the moment has got several lanes closed, so it's carnage getting in and out of Cornwall. There you go. But what a gorgeous day. Absolutely gorgeous day. So it's looking across. We're obviously on the Cornwall side, looking across onto the Devon side. And that's, so there you go. So, interestingly, I've just watched one of the ferries come in and noticed that the actual weights that keep the chains at the right tension, I thought it only only moved in relation to the tides, but it doesn't. It actually moves as the ferry is going in and out. So I'm just waiting for this ferry to load up, and then as it pulls off, I'm just going to see how the chains react, how the weights work, and what it does keeping the actual chains for the ferry at the right tension. So that ferry is now fully boarded. They're just shutting the gates, as you can see. I'm just wondering how much the ferry is affected by the weights, by the the movement of the actual ferry itself, or is it just purely the weight of the chains? So that's now lifted. It's not actually doing anything to the chains at the moment. I think it's still not moving. It's moving now. So the weight. They're beginning to lift. They're beginning to lift. And actually, I don't know whether it's concrete or what in the actual side. It's like big buckets, or is it actual lead weights? No, it looks like stone in it. As you can see, they're lifting. That's really interesting. So they're actually lifting further and further up the more the ferry goes out. So that's really affected the vibration of the chain on the tensioners. For years these were covered in by like wooden shacks and you couldn't see, but they're actually lifting fairly high. They are lifting fairly high indeed. So I assume that the actual chains are connected to the steel rod running down the, you see it more on the left hand side one. Oh, that's brilliant, absolutely excellent. Well, Saltash to Seaton and then back to Torpoint for a look around Torpoint. Well, if you've enjoyed our little fill-in video, then give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. Please feel free to leave a comment. Bye for now.